The Maverick is feeling a little bit curious this evening. Now, with the Tokyo Olympics now merely months away, we're wondering what the devil is happening with a man who is arguably the most dominant athlete in the colorful and glorious history of boys champs. A man named Christopher Taylor, formerly of Calabar. Remember him? The last we heard, Taylor was somewhere in Florida training with a new coach, training well and running fast. So it is fair to assume that Taylor will be coming to the national trials with the intention of making the plane to Tokyo. And why we're singling out Taylor, and there are so many other top champs athletes who have disappeared off of the radar. Well, no other champs athlete ran 45 seconds as a 15-year-old or the equivalent. So if we're curious about talent, we have to start with the very best. And by the way, how old is Chris Taylor now? 20, going on 21. That's still young. And look, it would be one of the biggest travesties of sport and of humanity if an athlete of the caliber and quality of Christopher Taylor don't get even a piece of the senior success pie. So this question or this query is out of genuine concern for the welfare of one of Jamaica's biggest and best sporting talents. So we're not drawing no card, the runner, we're not this, but we are really, really concerned about what is happening to Chris.